Student, today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 class 10 advanced maths question number 2 Roman 7. This is the question as you can see in the video, and we have to express this question into the a plus ib form. So let's have a look student how to solve this one. Student, now 2 Roman question number 2, that Roman 7 from exercise 2.2 class 10 advanced maths. The question is actually 1 by 1 minus 4i minus 2 by 1 plus I in bracket, then there is 3 minus 4i by 5 plus I. Now look student how to solve this one. Here student, I will go for the rationalize here, there and there together. So let's have a look how to solve this one. So here first of all, that 1 by, there is 1 minus 4i, and there is 1 plus 4i, and here is also 1 plus 4i by rationalizing. Now here also 2 by, there is 1 plus I, there is 1 minus I, there is also 1 minus I. Now after that student, here 3 minus 4i and 5 plus I. So how to solve this one, that 3 minus 4i and there is 5 plus I, there is 5 minus I, and there is 5 minus I. So this is the part of the rationalizations in 2 Roman 7. Now student, look after that. Here the next part will be here like this. Go for the multiplication here, then a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square formula. So there I will write down a square minus b square, and minus, there is 1 plus 4i. Now here also look after that, there is a plus b, a minus b, which means a square minus b square, that is 2 1 ja 2, and 2 into minus I is twice I. Now look after that student. Here student, now look the next part here, that a plus b, a minus b, which means there is a square minus b square, and go for the multiplication here, that 3 into 5 15, and 3 into I is minus 3i, and 5 fours are 20 20i, 5 fours are 20 20i, minus minus plus, then 4 into I, and I means 4i square. Now look after that. Look here now student, now how to solve this portion, that 1 square is 1, and minus, there is minus 4 square is 16, and I square is minus 1, there is 1 plus 4i, and minus, now come to this point here, that 1 square is 1 minus I square is minus 1, and there is 2 minus twice I in the third bracket. Now look here the remaining portion. Now look student, after that here, that 5 square is 25, and minus I square is minus 1, and 15 minus 3 minus 20 is minus 23i, and there is 4, and I square is minus 1. Now look after that. Here next one would be here like this, as there is 1 minus minus plus, there is 16, and 1 plus 4i, minus, there is 1 plus 1 minus minus plus 2 minus twice I. Now look after that. Here 15, now there is minus 23i, and there is minus 4, and 25 minus minus plus 1. Now look after that student. Here now the next part would be here 16 plus 1 17, there is 1 plus 4i, there is 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus twice I in bracket. Now here that 15 minus 4 which means 11, and there is minus 23i, 25 plus 1 26. Now look student, after that how to solve this portion. Now look student, here if I take 2 common from here, then 1 plus 4i by 17 will be here, minus if I take 2 common from here, then 1 minus I by 2, and this portion will be here that 11 minus 23i by 26. Now look, 2 and 2 cancel, so remaining part would be here that in third bracket 1 plus 4i by 17 minus there is 1 minus I, after cancellation 2 and 2, and there is 11 minus 23i by 26. Now look after that. Now look student, after that if I go for the LCM, then here so 1 plus 4i, then LCM will be here, so 17 into 1 minus I will be here, and this will remain same, that 11 minus 23i by 26. Now look after that student. Now look, the last line will be here like this, that 1 plus 4i, and there is minus 17, minus minus plus 17i by 17, and there is 11 minus 23i by 26. Now look after that. Now look after that student. So next part will be here like this, that 1 minus 17 which means there will be minus 16, and 17 plus 17i plus 4i, then answer will be 21i. 17 plus 4 means 21, 21i by there is 17, and remaining part would be here that 11 minus 23i by 26. Now students will go for the multiplication. Student, now look here, if we go for the multiplication here one by one, then what will happen? Look, minus there is 16 and 11. So if I just change this one as 21i minus 16 by 17, and if I keep this one same, that 11 into 11 minus 23i by 26, then what will happen? Look here, now go for the multiplication, the 21 into 11, 21 into 11. So just go for the multiplication. First of all, 17 into 26 is 442. Now look here, 21 into 11, 21 into 11 is 231i, and 21 minus there is 23, so this could be here 21 and 23 is there is plus minus, so 483, I into I is I square. Now next would be here minus 16 and 11 would be 176, and then next one would be here like this, that minus minus plus, so 16 into 23 is 368i. Now student, after that look here, now I square is minus 1. Now look student, after that if I put down here that 231i plus 368i, if I add these two, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 2 5, 5i, and after that there is I square is minus 1, and this minus means plus 483 and minus 176 by 442. Now look after that, so this could be here that 599i, and 483 minus 176, so this is 307 by 442. Now look after that, what should be the next one? So a plus ib format. So if I split up this one, so 599 I by 442 plus 307 by 442. Now just go for the interchange. Then 307 by 442 plus 599 by 442, and there is I into a plus ib format. This is the answer of 2 Roman 7.